parents, and educators. If you have ever wondered, how do I support a kid without hovering over them? You are in the right spot. Today, I'm sharing practical down to earth strategies to help kids thrive and fly solo, all while keeping things inclusive and empowering. Welcome to EducateAble, your hub for evergreen tips to support neurodiverse learners. Let's dive in. First, if you're loving this and want to level up your skills, check out our Allison course, Introduction to Shadow Teaching and Inclusive Education for Beginners. It's affordable, practical, and perfect for making a real impact in inclusive classrooms. Alright, let's get to it. Why independence matters. Let's start with the big picture. Supporting a child isn't about doing everything for them. That's enabling, and it can hold them back. Instead, we want to guide them to tackle challenges themselves. That's where scaffolding comes in. Think of it like training wheels. You give just enough support to help them succeed, then ease off as they get the hang of it. This builds confidence, cuts stress, and fires up their motivation. Practical scaffolding strategies. So, how do we do this? Here are 5 ways to scaffold like a pro. Break tasks into bite sized steps. Big tasks can feel overwhelming. Slow, split them up. For example, if a kid's working on a writing assignment, start with brainstorming ideas, then move to outlining, writing a draft, finally editing. Small steps make success feel doable. 2. Ask questions, don't hand out answers. Instead of saying, here's what to do, try, what do you think comes next? Or can you think of another way to solve this? Probing questions spark critical thinking and keep the kid in the driver's seat. 3. Offer choices, not solutions. Give them options to build autonomy. For instance, do you want to try method A or method B? This lets them make decisions without feeling lost. 4. Use props or quick demos. Show, don't do. If they're stuck, scribble a quick plan or highlight a sample sentence to model the process. It's a nudge, not a takeover. 5. Fade your support gradually. Start hands on, maybe helping them organize their thoughts. Then shift to gentle prompts like, what's your next step? Eventually step back completely as they gain confidence. It's like letting go of the bike when they're ready to ride. Setting boundaries to avoid dependency. Now let's talk boundaries because we want kids to grow, not lean on us forever. Define your role clearly. As a shadow teacher, you are a learning support, not a personal assistant. Keep that line clear to foster independence. Keep it professional, not personal. Warmth is great, but emotional or physical dependency can slow a child's growth in the real world. Stay kind, but focused on their learning. Encourage self-advocacy. Prompt kids to take charge. Try saying, what if you ask the teacher yourself next time? It builds confidence and real-world skills. Monitor and reflect. To make sure you're on the right track, track progress and tweak support. Notice when a kid starts doing more on their own. That's your cue to pull back. Adjust your approach based on their growing confidence. Collaborate with the team. Chat regularly with the teachers and parents. What worked today? Where did the child stretch? Teamwork keeps everyone aligned. Celebrate the wins. When a kid nails something solo, give them a high five, figuratively or literally. Even small steps towards independence are huge. Wrapping it up. So here's the deal. Scaffolding builds kids up. Enabling holds them back. By breaking tasks into steps, asking smart questions, offering choices, and fading your support, you are helping kids become confident, resilient, and ready to take on the world. And don't forget those boundaries. They are key to keeping things healthy and empowering. Ready for more? Our Allison course, Introduction to Shadow Teaching and Inclusive Education for Beginners, is a fantastic next step to deepen your skills. Check it out. Thank you for joining me today. At EducateAble, we are all about helping every child shine without us lingering too long. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share it to spread the love for neurodiverse learners. See you next time.